Welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Grinch earrings. These earrings feature Swarovski Crystal rounds, bicones, rondelles, and drop beads to make this adorable little Grinch. So let's take a look at all the products and tools we'll need to make them. For this project, I'm going to be using the 4mm Fern Green Swarovski Crystal Bicone beads. I have the 4mm Swarovski Crystal round beads. I have the 4mm Jet Swarovski Crystal Rondelle beads. I have a 5mm Siam Swarovski Crystal Bicone beads. I've got the 5mm Crystal Swarovski Crystal Rhinestone Rondelle beads. I have a 6mm Fern Green Swarovski Crystal round beads. And I've got a 9mm Siam Swarovski Crystal drop beads. I have a 14mm sterling silver earwire by TierraCast. I have 22 gauge 1.5 inch head pins, and I've got 22 gauge 2-inch eye pins. For my tools, I'm just going to be using chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and your wire cutters. You can find links to all these beads and supplies in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so to start your little Grinch guy, I always make his legs here first, and then I make the little drop off his hat. So to do that, you're going to grab one of the head pins, and to build his legs, you're going to pick up one rondelle and one fern green bicone, slide them all the way down to the bottom of the head pin there. Then you're just going to put your thumbnail right above those beads, and then just bend over at a 90-degree angle there. Then you're going to take your wire cutters, and seeing how the way that this little guy is constructed, we want to make our loops really small so that there's not a big space in between his body and his legs. So you just want to leave a little bit of wire to turn a really small, simple loop. And that's why it's nice to have the Lindstrom pliers here, because they have a really nice fine tip on them. And then you're going to grab the end of the wire, and then you're just going to roll it back into a simple loop, just like that. And then we're just going to repeat that process for his other leg. Again, just bending at a 90-degree angle, cutting the most of it off with your wire cutters, just leaving a little tiny bit because you want just a really small, little simple loop like we did. Grab your round nose pliers, grab the wire right at the tip, and then just roll it back. And then if you have to kind of center your loop on there, that is fine. So there I got that little guy. And then I'm just going to make the little topper for his hat. So I'm just going to pick up one crystal on the eye pin and then just make a simple loop on that. So then grab your round nose. Oop. Grabbing the end of that wire and then just rolling it back into a simple loop. That one got a little wonky there, but I can just adjust that with my chain nose. There. All right, so now that I've got all of those, I'm just ready to build his body. So to do that, I'm going to grab my eye pin, and I'm going to grab his body, starting with the wide part first for the drop bead. So the wide part goes down by the eye there. And then you're going to grab the round fern green. You're going to pick up the crystal rondelle bead. And then you're going to top it off with his hat is just the Siam. So there, you got his little body. And then again, we're just going to make a simple loop at the top of the eye pin. Cut your wire off. Grab your round nose pliers. Grabbing just at the tip there, and then just rolling that back. It's a little open. I just need to roll it a little bit more. There we go. And now I can grab my chain nose and I can open the loop here at the bottom to put on his feet or his legs. Just slide his legs on there. And then just close the loop on that eye pin. And then you'll just open the loop on the top here, and you're going to attach his little hat topper. And then we're just going to go ahead and close that loop. And there, you got this cute little Grinch, and now he just needs his ear wire, and he's ready to be worn. So to open your ear wire, just grab the loop and move it to the side, and then you're just going to slide on the loop that you made on the top of the Grinch, and then you're just going to go ahead and close your ear wire. And there you have these super cute little Grinch earrings. And it's so cute, those little legs move. So he gets lots of movement in your ear, and they're kind of fun to wear and stuff. Thank you for checking out this video. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure to click the subscription button below.